Hello, this is Dominic for Paphos Life. I'm continuing on my pre-season walk along the coast path towards Paphos. I'm starting at the Olympic Lagoon Resort today. We've just been to the Pachyamms beach back there. Well, I say just been, that was in the last film, that was actually a few days ago. Just sticking my phone in my bag so it doesn't pull my trousers down. It's one of the joys of wearing shorts with elastic. Right, anyway, let's get on. There's a very nice little water feature in the hotel there. Yeah. And there's a little harbour of sorts down there. I think it's mainly used for water sports though, as opposed to any fishing boats or anything. We'll take a slight detour in that direction because there's a little wedding venue down here which is quite nice. Might as well show you. Yes, weather's taken a turn for the bit more blustery today, but in a way that's good because it means it's a bit cooler for me filming. I mean, if I'd been out here just to take pictures of the beaches, I wouldn't be doing it today because it's not really fair to do publicity shots when the weather's not at its best. But as this is a pre-season film, so to speak, doesn't matter. Quickly avoid filming too many kiddies. Oh, right, so here's the wedding area. Oh, looks like he's putting out seats for it. So, and someone's getting married today. Hopefully we're not freaking out too much about the wind. It'll make for an interesting photo session. Right, and after the Olympic Lagoon Resort, you have the Amphora. Ooh, there's a cat there. I was reading an article in the news today about, I call it kitty COVID, but I mean it's a feline coronavirus or something like that. That's apparently sweeping Cyprus. It's a bit alarming for us because we've got 4 rescue cats ourselves. However, we're up in the village, so hopefully they're safe there, but obviously they won't be patting cats down in Paphos for the foreseeable future because I wouldn't want to transfer anything back up to Polemi. So do bear that in mind if you're in the habit of going around cuddling the cats. You don't want to inadvertently spread an illness that's completely harmless to humans but can be fatal, but treatable, very expensive. The article was saying like over euros per cat or something ridiculous. So I'm under strict self-instructions not to pat any cats now. There's the infamous tower up ahead. Much maligned, but apparently they've already sold all the accommodation in it, from what I read. I'm reserving judgment till it's finished. I mean, but people can't be too picky, because if you look at a picture of Paphos, say from the 70s, it was literally a one-street fishing village. The next feature you'll come across is the SODAP Beach. Now, it does have an official name, but if you saw it, you'd know why people call it the SODAP Beach instead. Vrysoudia or something. I'm sure it means something in Greek. And at the SODAP Beach there's a new cafe. I say new, it's been there for over a year now. Cafe, which is proving popular and has a nice viewing platform. There's a yoga lesson going on over there, which I won't film much of, give them their privacy. You got some nice little murals in the rocks here. Who did them? Let's have another look at the tower. We've seen worse designed towers. Can't look at some of the ones that went up in the 60s and 70s in the UK. Good old brutalism. That mosaic doesn't look finished. Right, and the wind has brought seaweed onto the beach. That will get removed. But you can see the sunbeds have appeared, and they normally come out when all the storms are over, so this last bit of inclement weather must be quite annoying for the people responsible for the sunbeds. So that makes for interesting view for a film. Let's have a quick look at the rocks down there as well. Now, I wasn't going to stop here, but the film's already 10 minutes long, and there's at least another quarter of an hour to the seafront, and I've learned that if you make films too long, people stop watching. So I think I'm going to go up to the top of the viewpoint and stop, so that you can have a break. Antasia. Oops, someone's going up there already. Pretty certain you're not supposed to be cycling on here, but c'est la vie. So have a look up here. Hold on to my hat. Ooh. Ooh. Right, so there's the SODAP Beach, and in the final film we'll walk from here up to the municipal baths. See ya.